Dash cameras provide accident evidence, deter fraud, monitor parking, improve driving accountability, and ensure daily safety and peace of mind. Today's video is about top 5 best dash cameras for daily use that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Hupejos AI Dash Cam Front Rear. The Hupejos V8 Pro 4-channel 360 degrees dash cam delivers complete vehicle protection with its 4 ultra-wide 150 degrees lenses, covering the front, rear, interior, and surroundings for true 360 degrees monitoring. With flexible recording options, 4K plus 1080p plus 1080p or 3K plus 1080p plus 1080p plus 1080p, you can balance resolution and storage based on your needs. Its AI-powered driver monitoring system, DMS, enhances safety by detecting fatigue, distractions, yawning, phone use, smoking, and driver absence, an excellent feature for long trips or rideshare drivers. Loop recording ensures continuous capture, while the built-in G-sensor locks important footage during sudden impacts, saving it securely in the event folder. Built-in Wi-Fi allows easy video playback and sharing via smartphone, and GPS tracking logs speed and route data for extra evidence. Night performance is impressive thanks to IR lamps, a CPL filter, and advanced low-light adjustment. Voice control adds hands-free convenience, and 24-hour parking mode provides around-the-clock security, hardwire kit required. Overall, it's a feature-packed, reliable dash cam for serious drivers. Now our second product is Galphi Dash Camera for Cars. The Galphi 4K UHD dash cam delivers sharp, detailed 2160p recording with a wide 160 degrees lens, capturing more of the road in crystal clear clarity. Whether you're a daily commuter, new driver, or rideshare operator, it provides reliable video evidence for insurance claims and accident disputes. One standout feature is the advanced 5 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity. With download speeds up to 8 MB per second, far faster than traditional 2.4 GHz, you can quickly transfer and review footage through the companion app without frustrating delays. The screen-free design minimizes distractions, helping you stay fully focused on driving while the camera records quietly in the background. Its compact build ensures it won't block your windshield view, and installation is simple enough for first-time users. Loop recording automatically overwrites old files when storage fills up, while the built-in G-sensor locks important footage during sudden impacts. With excellent night vision powered by an f/1.6 aperture and WDR, plus a pre-installed 64GB card, this dash cam offers convenience, performance, and peace of mind. Our third product is Terunsoui 4K Dash Cam Front and Rear. This UHD 4K triple-channel dash cam delivers outstanding all-around protection with simultaneous 4K front, 1080p rear, and 1080p cabin recording. The 3.16-inch IPS screen provides clear live viewing and playback, making it a great choice for family trips, commercial fleets, and rideshare drivers. With a 170 degrees ultra-wide front lens and 165 degrees rear and cabin cameras, it captures near 360-degree panoramic coverage, recording both road conditions and interior activity with impressive clarity. A pre-installed 128GB memory card ensures you're ready to go out of the box. Loop recording keeps footage continuous, while the built-in collision sensor automatically locks and saves critical clips during sudden impacts. The integrated high-precision GPS embeds speed, route, location, and timestamp directly into videos, offering reliable evidence when needed. Dual-band 5.8 GHz and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi enables fast 20 MB per second downloads via the Terunsoui app for instant preview and sharing. Enhanced by Starlight Night Vision, HDR, and an f/1.6 aperture, it performs exceptionally well in low light. Backed by an 18-month warranty and 24/7 support, it's a dependable, feature-packed dash cam solution. Now number 4, NavyCrest Wi-Fi Dash Camera for Cars. The NavyCrest Q7 Dashcam brings a major upgrade with its new 4K plus 1080p resolution, delivering ultra-clear front and rear recording for enhanced road safety. Powered by a premium Sony IMX sensor and a 6-glass lens system, it captures sharp, color-accurate footage day and night, supported by wide dynamic range technology for improved low-light clarity. The built-in 5G Wi-Fi module offers download speeds up to 8 MB per second, 4 times faster than standard 2.4G, making it easy to preview, download, edit, and share videos through the companion app. Its compact design ensures it won't obstruct your view, and installation is simple with the included wiring tool. For security, loop recording keeps footage continuous, while the 3-axis G-sensor locks collision clips as protected evidence. A 64GB card is included for plug-and-play convenience, and the car charger even features an extra USB port. With optional 24/7 parking mode, hardware kit required, and responsive after-sales support, the Q7 is a reliable, feature-packed driving companion. And our last choice is Vantrue Night Vision Car Camera. The Vantrue One Pro proves that big performance can come in a tiny package. Roughly the size of a $1 coin, this compact 4K dashcam records stunning 3840x2160/30 fps footage using the advanced IMX678 8MP sensor. Its 158° wide-angle lens and included CPL filter capture sharp details like license plates and road signs while minimizing glare. Powered by PlatePix software and Starvis 2 Night Vision, the E1 Pro delivers HDR video that's up to 50 clearer than standard 4K HDR. Even at speeds up to 31 miles per hour, it can clearly record license plates at night, ideal for families and new drivers. The 24/7 buffered parking mode records 15 seconds before and 30 seconds after motion is detected, hardwire kit required, offering enhanced protection. With 5G Wi-Fi, built-in GPS, voice control, loop recording, and support for up to 1 TB storage, it's packed with smart features. The super capacitor ensures reliability in extreme heat, and installation is quick with its magnetic mount. Backed by an 18-month warranty, it's a premium, dependable choice. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.